when I was discussing the topic, what should be the relevant topic in the today's context, I think he has rightly suggested from his vast experience, not only in India and internationally, in various international forums, what he has been attending and lecturing over major part of the year. He has suggested that today's challenges are more intake of stakeholders' engagement with respect to by companies. That is actually bigger challenge than the traditional challenges what the industry faces today. I think just how right he is, if we look back during the last 1 year in our industrial scenario, we would notice that it's not really the inner problems that are causing trouble to the industry. It's not the IR, it's not the HR. It's not the IR, it's not the HR. It is SR. What is that SR? It is stakeholder relationship, social relationship. I think I don't mind if any of you give me a credit for a new word, terming a new coin like SR, I think which should be taken very seriously. Now, ultimately, what is the stakeholder engagement and social relationship? Today, if you want to establish an industry, or if you want to run an industry for that matter, in addition to the challenges what you face internally in terms of IR and HR, which you are all the masters actually. But today the new challenge, that is social relationship and the strategy and stakeholder relationship, is taking a major scenario, and it takes most part of your time. Then what is all this stakeholder and social relationship is essentially, there's something which we have been neglecting, we have been taken for granted that everything will be done once you set up the industry or once you start running the industry. It's not so today. You have to take care of the stakeholders who are all around you. It's not the stakeholders in the conventional sense of your shareholders, your employees, your customers, your suppliers. They are all the conventional stakeholders. But today's stakeholders are much more important than the conventional stakeholders. It's a social relationship what you have to maintain. If you don't maintain the harmonious relationship, I don't want to bore all of you with my own experiences of what happened in the recently in our own state, in the various states, in various industries. All of you are well educated, you read paper every day. So if you look back in the context, it's more related to managing the relations externally. Now, why is it that HR/IR people are more close to this than compared to a production manager or a finance manager or a marketing manager? Because it is they or who are the interface with the company with this particular group of people. So it's all the more important. That's the reason when Dr. Reddy suggested that we must take stakeholder engagement as a topic, I thought that's the most appropriate in this particular point of time.